Well, who will act in your behalf if you are not able to do so? That's the focus of our weekly Legal Line. Our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford from Hosford Law Firm, joins us today. Jeff, great to see you.
Good to see you.
All right, let's talk a little bit about power of attorney. Exactly what is it and what's the purpose of it?
Power of attorney is basically a form or a piece of paper that you sign that sets up who will take care of your affairs should you become incapacitated or unable to care for yourself. It's very important because, as we're all aware, the good Lord can call you home, or you can get in an accident that could make you incapacitated beyond able to take care of your own affairs, and you need somebody there that can help tie things up for you while you're in that situation. For example, if you have a stroke and you don't have your husband or your child named as your power of attorney before you have a stroke, it could cause them to have to go to court to seek a conservatorship in order to get that same authority they would have had you signed the power of attorney.
I'm sure you've had to deal with this in your office before. So when someone comes in seeking to get and set up power of attorney, do you advise them on who should do it, or you basically advise them on how to get it done?
Well, you try to advise them on both. Obviously, you don't want anybody to be taken advantage of. If there's some new person in their life that's urging them to do it, that's not somebody that's been around for a long time, you always take that precaution and you say, are you sure you want to do this? Is this really what you want to do? And you ask them questions about the person and the relationship, because when you give somebody this power or authority, they can basically take your money or clear out all your accounts, and there's really not much you can do once the money's spent and they're gone. So you always got to be careful who you make your power of attorney and who you leave in charge of your affairs. Obviously, the goal is to have someone that's going to look after your situation just like you would, or better than you would, to ensure that all your needs are met and all the bills and finances are taken care of until you can do it again.
All right. As always, we appreciate your perspective on it. Some good information for us. Jeff, we'll see you next week.
Thank you for having me.
All right.